You want to go? Go, come here. Come here. Here.
Now, you know what would be really fun? Let the cat come in.
Oh. Oh. Careful. Oof. Oof. You have to roll it the right way. There you go. Oh, not too close to the fire.
Hey, I made it.
Oh, that's gonna get a little toasty. Yeah, you froze up on that one. Here, come here. Want to clean your face? Just to figure out which way to roll it. That's so funny. Oh, stop. Clean your face again.
I can't even keep up with her.
Oh. Yeah, so she gets to the fire again.